Okay, my mic doesn't work again because I left it on overnight. I'm going to be so flustered. And I just dropped my palette on the ground. Great. Great, great, great. So I'm just gonna get right into this. I'm gonna start this tutorial off a little bit differently because I'm gonna be working with a lot of black, so I'm not gonna do my face first like I normally do, just in case I have a lot of fallout and I can actually clean it off. So I'm going to go in with the James Charles Morphe palette. I'm going to start out with this shade called Punch Me. I'm going to take a Morphe M441 fluffy blending brush. I'm just going to buff this all over my crease. Next, I'm going to take the shade Mary on a BMX 430 crease from Moda Pro. I'm going to put this into my crease below the shade I just put down, so we can start building intensity for the smoky eye. Next, I'm going to take a Morphe M433. I'm going to take the shade Boutique. I'm going to start working this into my crease, right above where I'm going to place the black shade. I'm going to work this all the way in. Now I'm going to go back into Mary and just make sure the edges are blended and diffused. Okay, now here's the scary part. I'm going to take the black shade, Spooky, and I'm going to use this and tap this all over my lid. And I'm going to kind of lay a shape for the black that I like that kind of follows my crease. And I'm not gonna worry about what this looks like blended yet. I'm just going to get the color down. Okay, now that I have the darker shade how I want it, and it's a little scary looking, I'm going to take the shade Benny, which is this dark brown, and I'm going to use it to start blending the black into the other colors. I'm using a brown versus any other color because it's pretty similar to the black, and I want to add a bit more dimension while keeping the intensity of the black. And this is a Morphe M507 brush. Now I'm just going to go back into the shade Mary and make sure everything is blended on the crease how I want it to be. Now I'm going to clean the fallout off. I'm going to do the rest of my face off camera, and I will be back to finish the eyes. All right, I'm back to finish up the eye look. I've got a layer of powder down beneath my eye just in case anything falls out from my lower lash line. So I'm going to take a Morphe M507 little blending brush. I'm going to go back to the shade Mary. I'm going to buff this out all over my lower lash line. Next, I'm going to take a Morphe M321. I'm going to go into the shade Benny and work this all over my lower lash line. And I'm going to hug my lower lash line closer than I did the previous shade. Then I'm going to go back in with the previous shade on my first brush and just kind of buff it out. And just for funsies, I'm going to take a little bit of the black shade Spooky on a flat definer brush, the Luxie 221, and just kind of stamp it on the outer third to outer half of my lower lash line. Okay, I'm liking the way this is turning out, so I will go ahead and finish the rest of my face off camera, and I will be right back to show you guys the finished look. Alright guys, so to finish off the rest of my look, I took the shade Ring Light to highlight my inner corner, as well as the shade Sister to highlight beneath the brow bone, and then I tightlined using a black eyeliner. For lashes, I'm using the Lilly Lashes limited edition Faux Mink lashes in the style Gaia. And for face, I took the Jaclyn Cosmetics Flash palette and I just mixed these three shades together to get a custom glow. For blush, the Cover FX Monochromatic Blush Duo in Soft Peach, and I just took the matte shade on this one. And then the Benefit Hoola bronzer. And last but not least, I lined my lips in the Essence Soft Contouring Lip Liner in Peachy Keen and topped it off with matte Creme de Nude lipstick, as well as some Morphe Flower Crown lip gloss. So this is it for the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you guys want to see more tutorials, please let me know down below what you want to see and what you're interested. I'm filming 2 to 3 times a week, so I got plenty of videos for you guys, plenty of ideas. But as always, thank you for sticking around and watching this video and supporting me. It means the world. I'm having a lot of fun with this. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the bell for post notifications. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.